feels so good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Robby Z with Robby Z Makeup, and tonight we are going to be doing my nighttime skincare routine. I don't have my robe on, because for the love of me, I couldn't keep that motherfucker on. It just kept opening, over and over and over. Anyway, today we're going to be going through my nighttime skincare routine, and it's so funny because when I did my daytime skincare routine, which was supposed to be for summer, a few days later it's cold out, so the summertime nighttime routine is now gone, so I'm just going to go into like a in-between skincare routine, so going in from like fall to winter. I'm not going to use too thick of products today, but we're going to go through some products that I use pretty much nightly. See you guys shortly. Just so you guys are aware, I'm a huge fan of the double cleanse method. I think it's really, really good for helping to remove all the dirt and all your makeup and all the stuff out of the skin, so you have a nice fresh base to use all of your skincare products. So we're going to be starting with the Erno Laszlo Phelityl Pre-Cleansing Oil. I love this. It is an oil, so do keep in mind that if you have oily skin, I would still recommend it. Just make sure you take it off with the proper product. So we're going to take a little bit into our fingers, and we are going to go all over the skin. As I'm talking with my hands across my mouth. Oh, I love this oil. It's so nice. And it's another one of those products that Marilyn Monroe used.
I'm obsessed.
Now that we're nice and oiled up, we have to take the oil off of the skin. So for that, we're going to be using the, again, Erno Laszlo Phelityl Cleansing Bar. It's a facial soap bar, which is really nice. You're going to get it wet. Normally I'd be doing this in the bathroom, but I don't have a camera set up in there, so we're going to do it here. So you're going to, I just dropped it. Twice. You're going to lather the soap between your hands until you get a nice little lather. Messy, messy, messy. Got our soap. This is going to help remove all the oil from the skin, as well as take away all the rest of that dirt and oil and sunscreen or whatever you had on during the day. And now we have to rinse. And now that our skin is rinsed, oh, and I got my shirt wet. Great. Now that the skin is rinsed off, we're going to go right into our skin prep. So we're going to be starting with the Estée Lauder Micro Essence. This is nice because it really helps to balance the skin and really helps to prep your skin to pull in the moisture with the products that you're going to be using afterwards. So we're just going to press this into the skin. Guys, I'm obsessed with skincare. I mean, I know this is a makeup channel. I do love my makeup, don't get me wrong. But nice skin makes great makeup, so. And as you've seen in the daytime video, Advanced Night Repair, like I said, I do use it at night and during the day. I mean, hyaluronic acid, come on. I really like Advanced Night Repair because it does help pull everything that you put on top of it into the skin. And deep down where it actually counts. I think I got my hair a little bit wet too. It's starting to deflate. Great. Same eye cream as the daytime. This is the one I've been continuously using, which is the Erno Laszlo Occuphel Emollient Eye Cream. I have another one on the way. When I get that one, I'll have to try it for a week, and then I'll let you know what it is. Pea-sized amount, ring fingers, and everywhere around the orbital bone.
Weird faces. Weird places.
I do recommend tapping around the eye area, but I have some wrinkles there, so I really like to make sure it gets all of them. And then we're going to finish off with a nice night cream. Now this night cream is nice because you can use it in the winter or in the summer. I feel like it packs that moisture punch, but it's light enough to use during this hot summer months. It's the Erno Laszlo Phelityl Night Cream. It's really, really nice because it almost like mimics the skin while creating like this nice moisture barrier on the skin to just lock it in. And it has some anti-aging properties to it as well, which is always nice for us people that are
30 and up.
Start young, stay young, guys. telling you now. I need to shave, I know. I'm going away this weekend, so I want to save that for when I put a face on while I'm gone. And that's my nighttime routine, you guys. Pretty simple, right? Only a few products. What are you guys using? That's what I want to know. Is there a skincare product that you love that I should love too? Because I'm all about that life. When I try and test new products, I get excited because I want to tell other people about them, because if they work for me, I want them to work for you too, you know? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you loved it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, a comment, a like, tap the little bell just so you can be notified when I post again. And check me out on Instagram at RobbyZMakeup, and my other social media handles are the same. And always remember, beauty is what you make it. No matter how it turns out, you can always take it off. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.